My cucumber mint mocktail, delicious, refreshing, so good for you. Nobody would ever know it's a mocktail. Cheers. Hey there, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my version of a hydrating cucumber mocktail. And listen, hydration is super important, you guys. If you're not hydrated, you'll start to feel fatigued, run down, headachy. It's not good for your body. So hydration is key, and sometimes it's nice to change it up. We should all drink lots of water, but if you don't feel like doing water, why not do this cucumber mocktail? Let's check it out. So the first step in making this delicious cucumber mocktail is, I've already peeled one cucumber, is let's make the cucumber ribbons just for the garnish. So let's just make the cucumber ribbons. So there's a simple cucumber ribbon, and then we would just kind of do this and use a toothpick and make it really pretty. And all you need to do is just kind of take your toothpick, stack it. There's probably a better way to do this. I'm not a bartender, guys. Here it is. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? I mean, come on, we can make carrot ribbons. We can make ribbons of all kinds of fun stuff. Okay, so there it is. Look at the benefits of cucumber. Let's talk about it. It's just loaded with water. Of course, there's vitamins and minerals. It's trace amounts. It's still good, nothing to scoff at. But yes, loaded with water, and that's what we want. We want hydration. So there we go. There's our cucumber garnish. The other thing you want to do for the cucumber is we're going to make a little bit of cucumber juice. It's about 2 inches of fresh cucumber and 2 tablespoons of water. Put on the lid. Let's just give it a little. So we're just going to strain that just so it's nice and clear for the mocktail. You've got the cucumber juice, you've got the cucumber ribbons. What we want to do is you want about half of a cucumber, and we're going to muddle this. So I'm going to give these slices, I'm going to do thin slices, and then for the garnish you could do thicker or thin. There it is. Yum, yum, yum. I'll save a few of my slices for garnishing. So let's talk about really quick what we need for making this cucumber mocktail. I would highly suggest a cocktail shaker. Then a muddler is really important, so make sure you have a muddler. And then I like a tall spoon, although I'm using shorter glasses today. And then pick a pretty glass. Like if you have your favorite glass and whatever it is, use it. If it's well, I wouldn't use a martini glass for this one because it's going to be more liquid than that. And all of your ingredients, right? We have honey, cucumber juice, fresh mint leaves, half of a cucumber, fresh lime, sparkling water, and coconut water, okay? And ice, of course, don't forget the ice, all right? All you need to do is you need the juice of about half of a lime. This is kind of a small lime, so I'm gonna do a little bit more juice. So we're just making the juice real quick. So how much did this give us? Just under 2 tablespoons. See, I love this little doodah. Let's do the first step. You wanna take a cocktail shaker. So we want some mint leaves, so about 10 mint leaves, right? And this makes 2 mocktails, by the way, you guys. So we're gonna put half that cucumber straight into the glass. So now that we have the cucumber and the mint, so you're just gonna muddle. So just muddle a little bit so you can start to smell the mint leaves. Now we're gonna add the coconut water, the cucumber water, so hydrating. So coconut water, hydrating, high in electrolytes. Cucumber water, very hydrating. And then just a little bit of honey. And now we need just the juice of 1 lime. So I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Then we're just gonna, whoa, that's hysterical. So yeah, there's obviously some air issues going on. So you're just gonna shake it. Just give it a little shaky shake. Yay, cucumber hydrating mocktail. Here we go. All right, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Make sure you've got ice. This makes 2 servings. Get it in there, and then we'll top it off with the sparkling water. Give it a nice little fizzy fizz. And then, of course, the gorgeous cucumber ribbon. Okay, so here it is, my cucumber mint mocktail. So refreshing, so delicious. Remember, you want to stay hydrated, okay? Super important. Mm. Oh my gosh, that is so good, so refreshing. It's not too sweet, it's not bitter, it's perfect. We've got cucumber, mint, lime, coconut water. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, and remember that you are deeply loved by God. I'm gonna keep drinking it. It's really delicious.